Can you claim any ownership rights over the government property on the ground that you are in illegal possession? भाई साहब, ऐसा मैं तो जानना चाहता हूं। मैं तो हम सारे जजेस अपने बंगलेश पे तो ओनरशिप के राइट्स क्लेम कर लेंगे। आप पहले कानून बताओ मेरे को कि सरकारी संपत्ति पे आप ओनरशिप के राइट्स क्लेम करोगे? मतलब सरकारी जमीन के ऊपर पुलिसिया डंडा दिखा के कब्जा भी किया था। दिस इज व्हाट यू वांट टू से? एक आम गरीब आदमी कब्जा कर ले तो पटवारी और तहसीलदार निकाल के बाहर फेंकता है, और एसडीओ भी कब्जा कर ले तो उसको भूमि स्वामी अधिकार
Notice of eviction has been served upon the petitioner. It has been alleged in the notice that after retiring, I have not vacated the government house.
You are a retired SDOP.
My lord.
And you were in possession of the government accommodation during your tenure, and even after your retirement, you have not vacated. Is it so true, sir?
No, my lord. My submission is
not
that
true.
Is that
now in the year 2007, there appears to be some eviction order against you. If you are not in possession of that,
my lord, this house, it does not belongs to.
Is it your private property?
My lord, it was a government land, and I have applied for the Bhu Adhikar rights, the Dharna
government accommodation, Bhu Adhikar.
My lord,
बता दो यार, हम लोग भी तुरंत लगाएंगे।
My lord, it was not allotted, or it.
Sorry, sir, you have to vacate the government premises.
My lord, it is not the police authorities'
premises. Is it your premises? It is your. Is it in your ownership?
My lord, I am the possession holder of this.
SDOP ho, behave like a responsible person of the citizen of the country. SDOP हो तो क्या सरकारी संपत्ति के ऊपर अधिकार जमा के बैठ जाओगे? When you had retired, sir?
31/7/21. In the year 2021.
21. For the last 3 years, you have illegally occupying, and no, you are asking for Bhumi Swami Adhikar rights.
My lord,
बहुत अच्छी बात है यार।
This house was not.
आपका है कि नहीं है? बस इतना आंसर दीजिए।
My lord, I don't have absolute ownership, but
Is it a private property or a government property?
This Khasra number 1581. The Khasra number 1581, where this house is situated. So I was the possession holder.
Are you the owner or not? Please answer that.
My lord, not absolute owner.
What do you mean by absolute?
Or by strength of the possession holder, and
so whether you have perfected your title, whether you are in illegal possession and open and hostile possession for the last 30 years?
My lord, by this Dharna right application is my pending, my lord. So
forget about that application.
My lord.
Can you claim any ownership rights over the government property on the ground that you are in illegal possession? भाई साहब, ऐसा मैं तो जानना चाहता हूं। मैं तो हम सारे जजेस अपने बंगलेश पे तो ओनरशिप के राइट्स क्लेम कर लेंगे।
It was never allotted.
क्या मजाक कर रहे हो यार?
Is that, my lord?
अरे हटो। आप पहले कानून बताओ मेरे को कि सरकारी संपत्ति पे आप ओनरशिप के राइट्स क्लेम करोगे? हर अफसर जो है, हर एम्प्लॉय जो है, ओनरशिप ओनर बन के बैठ जाएगा।
It is not
मजाक है यार।
My lord, it is not the case.
Whatever the case may be, it is a government accommodation. You are in illegal possession after your retirement.
My lord, I have.
Give me the provision under which you can seek the rights of ownership over the government
house. It was constructed by me. The house was constructed by me.
अच्छा, मतलब सरकारी जमीन के ऊपर पुलिसिया डंडा दिखा के कब्जा भी किया था। This is what you want to say?
My lord.
एक आम गरीब आदमी कब्जा कर ले तो पटवारी और तहसीलदार निकाल के बाहर फेंकता है, और एसडीओ भी कब्जा कर ले तो उसको भूमि स्वामी अधिकार दे दे। दादागिरी है क्या इस देश में?
My case is not like.
आपने सरकारी नौकरी पे होते हुए सरकारी जमीन के ऊपर बेजा कब्जा कैसे किया था? और वहां पे इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन कैसे रेज किया था? गुंडागर्दी करके, वर्दी का डर दिखा के, क्या करके किया था सर? ये तो बता दीजिए। कहाँ लिखा है कि मैंने सरकारी जमीन के ऊपर खर्च अपना खुद बिल्डिंग बनाई थी?
My lord, annexure P6.
P6 P6 अभी तो 2021 में रिटायर हुए ना, 4 साल तो अभी बचे पूरे नहीं हुए ना, डी तो अभी भी हो सकती है। चलो ठीक है सर।
My lord, यह भूमि पुलिस विभाग की नहीं है, फिर भी पुलिस विभाग के द्वारा उक्त मकान से बेदखल करने का नोटिस दिया गया है।
सॉरी सर, इमीडिएटली वैकेट इट।
आई एम विड्रॉइंग इट।
No, vacate it. Otherwise, I will hold you for committing contempt of court.
My lord, it is due for eviction on tomorrow.
अब खाली करेंगे आप?
My lord,
सर 19 को खाली करना
हैं?
19 को खाली करना था।
करना था ना, कितने दिन और चाहिए? वैसे आप प्रशांत जी से कहिएगा ये एक्सप्लोर करें कि अगर बंगला मिल जाता है तो उसके भूमि स्वामी राइट मिल सकते हैं क्या, और उनसे कहिएगा कोर्ट कह रही थी पहले वो जो उन्हें अलॉटेड है उसके ऊपर जरा ले लें तो बाकियों को भी मजा आ जाए। यार मजाक है यार। तब कब तक खाली करेंगे? 19 तक आपको खाली करना था।
और 25th, my lord, a month's breathing time may be given, my
अब
lord.
कितनी लंबी सांस लेनी है ये तो बताओ ना। ब्रीदिंग टाइम तो दे ही रहे ना सांस लेने के लिए, कितना लंबी सांस लेनी है?
A month's time may be
बस टाइम में कुछ नहीं, एसडीओपीओ
15 days time.
15 डेज टाइम, 19 से 15 दिन का समय। आज हो गया 25 दिन, 6 दिन हो चुके हैं, 9 दिन और चाहिए आप। 31st of July, otherwise you will be liable for prosecution under contempt of court act as well as under article 215 20920/2024. This petition under article 226 of Constitution of India has been filed seeking a following relief. It is a case where a person in uniform has crossed all the limits and encroached upon the government property, and now and even after his retirement, he is in illegal possession of the same and has not vacated the same and has not vacated the said property in spite of repeated notices to him. Police staff. By the impugned order dated 14/7/2020, the petitioner was directed to vacate the premises by 19th of July 2024, failing which the coercive action shall be taken up for his removal by 25 of July 2024. आज खाली हो गया है कि नहीं हो गया है? आज ही की बात करिए।
25th, कल के लिए।
हैं?
कल के लिए 25th. Today is 24th.
22, 23, 24. It is submitted by counsel for the petitioner that it was submitted by counsel for the petitioner that in fact the petitioner had constructed a house by encroaching upon the Nazul land. However, sir, just a minute, whatever you had submitted, I am writing that. अगर आप कहें आपने ये सबमिशन नहीं किया, मैं आपको रिकॉर्डिंग सुना देता हूँ। सर प्लीज, मेरे यहाँ पे उतना ही अपन गप्पबाजी करने नहीं बैठे। Accordingly, the counsel for petitioner was directed to point out that under which authority the petitioner had constructed a house on a government land which according to the petitioner himself is a Nazul land. It was further submitted, it was thereafter submitted by counsel for the petitioner that in fact the property in dispute is not a police does not belong to the police department, and therefore the police department cannot issue a direction to him to vacate the premises. Police system. It is really unfortunate that the petitioner who has retired as SDOP, SDO bracket में P, has misused his authority and has gone to the extent of encroaching upon the government land as well as the government building. And now he is seeking the conferral of Bhumi Swami rights on the said property. Accordingly, it is submitted by counsel for the petitioner that petitioner has made a representation to the respondent, to the collector Umaria, for grant of Bhumi Swami, for allotment of the property to him under the Bhudharanadhikar Yojana, because he does not have any other house to reside. The counsel for the petitioner was directed to address with regard to the entitlement of the petitioner to seek Bhumi Swami rights over the property which belongs to the state government. The counsel for the petitioner could not point out any such provision. By the impugned order dated 14/7/2024, The petitioner has been directed to remove the property, otherwise the action shall be taken and eviction and coercive action shall be taken on 25/7/2024 for his eviction. Since no case is made out warranting interference, accordingly the petition fails and is hereby dismissed. गरीब एंक्रोचमेंट करते हैं तो समझ में आता है, तो आप तो डंडे दिखा के एंक्रोचमेंट कर रहे हो यार।